What is up, 7-3 fans? Welcome back to the 7-3 Garage. My name is Brandon. The day has finally come, and I'm very, very excited to be able to collaborate with Brian from Jelly Bowl Performance. He was kind of the orchestrator with helping me make this happen. And I know I mentioned it in the last video, but I want to show everyone the final product here. These are the official 7-3 Garage stickers. I just received them in the mail the other day, so very, very happy. They came out awesome. I'm very, very excited about these, and very excited to get these out to the supporters and all the subscribers and followers that I have. So very eager to tell you guys about what the process is going to be to get these shipped to your door so you can get them on one of your trucks and basically go from there. So just to start, again, want to thank Brian over at Jelly Bowl Performance. He was the one that kind of helped me out with all this stuff and basically connected me with a vendor. And I kind of wanted to go with, as you can see, in I guess a font that kind of resembled the old body style Power Stroke diesel emblem that came on the truck. So pretty much hit the nail on the head. So very happy with these. These are right around 12 inches by 3 inches. So they're a pretty good size. They will be $10 a piece. Going to get into basically how to buy them and send money and all that stuff. So I actually just went out today and got the envelopes and everything to make sure everything was the right size and make sure that in transit these things don't get all beat up as they go out to people. So again, thank you to Brian over at Jelly Bowl Performance, but very excited to get these out to everybody. So again, these will be 10 bucks a piece. They are 12 inches by 3 inches, just about, so they're a pretty good size sticker. We'll see how the sales go. If these end up selling out pretty quickly, I'll make sure that I tell everybody, and I'll have to hold off on shipping orders right now, but I will get back with the vendor and see if we can get some more of these out to everybody if it comes to that. Yeah, so I will be putting my PayPal in the description below so you can send over the PayPal or money via PayPal. The best way I've found, I tested it out real quick, was if you put in the comment section underneath where you send the money, just put your first and last name and your address. And as I go through everything, I'll get them shipped out, and hopefully they'll, be to you guys in a couple of days. I will be shipping them from the house just to kind of avoid going out in the public due to everything that's going on. So you should have them in just about a couple of days. It shouldn't be too long once we get them out. But again, that's the procedure. So 10 bucks a piece, and you can go ahead and use the PayPal description below and send over the information. If you have any questions, you can email me. The email, again, I will put down in the description, is 73garage@gmail.com. I'd be happy to answer any questions and get back to people. But I will be checking that to make sure if we have any issues or if anybody has any questions. If you need to direct message me on Instagram, I will also make sure to add my Instagram handle in the description below as well. So just very excited to get these out to everybody. This, again, is the final product. Super happy. If you guys are starting to buy these and you get them on your truck, just go ahead and throw them on the truck and tag 7-3 Garage on Instagram. I'll check all the pictures out, and I'll repost some cool ones as you guys send them in. So very, very eager to get these out to everybody. Just want to make a quick video to show everybody how to go through this whole process and get things done. But I will be posting them on my Instagram as well, and how to get your hands on one of these. So thank you guys again for the continued support. I am eager to make some more content here. I know the world has kind of slowed down due to the pandemic that's going on. So just trying to take it kind of easy here. And hopefully in the next couple weeks, we'll have some more content out to everybody. Because I am passionate about talking about 7-3s, and I got a truck that I want to put on the channel that a friend of mine just got fixed and running, which I think will be pretty cool for everybody to see. It's kind of unique, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully that will be in the next couple weeks here, but I'm going to kind of try and coordinate with him to get stuff out to you guys so you can see what we're going to have going on over here on the channel. So as always, guys, go ahead and hit that notification button if you have not already to know when I post new videos, and go ahead and subscribe as well. Let me know what you think of these. Pretty stoked. I really have nothing else to say. I'm very excited to have these finally and to get these out to everybody. So that's all I got for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. My name's Brandon. This is the 7-3 Garage. We will see you next time.